What's up, everyone? So today I'm here to show you guys something that I've not yet seen on YouTube. It's how to connect a dual PC stream with a GoXLR and with a USB mic. Like I got here the Razer microphone, and yeah, I've been able to stream, but there's one thing that you can't do but we'll get into that later on. All you're gonna need is two aux cables, a ground loop isolator, GoXLR Mini, or the regular one, obviously, and your two PCs, your gaming and your streaming PC. And okay, let's get into it here. Now I wanted to get into the hardware portion. So first, you have to take your USB, okay, plug it into your gaming PC, okay, wait, it should look like that. So this, you can barely see that. So one is line in, line out, and it says that in the bottom here, line out. So you take your line out, and that goes into your line in on your streaming PC, which I'll tell you the color in a bit. And then the line in goes into the ground loop isolator, and then it goes into the line out on your PC, on your streaming PC. Okay? And then, so let's put this back. So this is your gaming headset, okay? This is so you can hear everything, right? This is connected to your gaming headset. Okay. So these you can control, customize for your music, your system. This I use for game volume. This you won't be able to use this one because that's your mic. You can set it to something else, but you're gonna have to only talk in Discord. Is another thing. So let's show you what you have to do on the screen now. Okay, so now we get into the hardware portion. So everyone go on your GoXLR app. And if you don't have it installed, there will be a link in the description you can refer to. First, you're going to want to go to your routing tab. Okay? So this is how I have mine set up. I'm not going to go into specifics with everything, but you could just copy mine, and then we can go from there. So also, you're going to want to, this is a save. You can set it up, save it, and boom. Then you go on your mixer, okay? These are your channels. So for your game, you're going to want to change your audio also to TC Helicon GoXLR Mini, and open your sound settings, your sound share. Okay, so this should be your default device for recording. Okay, Realtek high definition audio. Okay. And then for your playback device, it should be your chat is your default communications device, and system is your default device. Okay, so make sure you have that. Okay, so and then you want to go click listen to this device. Okay, and apply, and okay. And then from there, now we can set up your music or whatever. So let's open your sound settings. Here we go. Maybe you go to app volume, you go here, and then you can put this to your music tab. So now you have full control in your with your hand on the device, on the GoXLR. You can use it for your music. See, like so, like I can play it from my keyboard, and then I can turn it up and down. It's great. Okay, so now that you set those, you can choose it to go. I will put it in line 2. Oh no, sorry, line 3 is what I usually put my music on. Music is the source, and then the option you can choose to mute or not. And this is just all your mic settings and stuff. And okay, so, or sorry, your music settings. Okay, so now that that's going, that's on your gaming PC, by the way. So now you're gonna go into your streaming PC, and then you're gonna add it to the source. You're gonna make a new source. So here, I'll try to show you guys. And now that should be all routing to your streaming PC. So now you can go to your streaming PC. You can open everything up and route it over. So what I do, I take my microphone and I actually hook it up to my streaming PC, but I only use Discord for game chat, right? So this, you should be able to go, boom, audio input, audio output, it's your desktop audio, so you capture that, and then you go to audio input capture, boom, and it should be this in this tab, audio input, boom, add source. I have it's not routed to this device, like you can see here, so it would be it would be routed here. It would be a microphone, Realtek, okay. Test audio. Yeah. Okay. So then that should work. Okay. Well, that pretty much concludes my video for today. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I'm going to do my best to get back to you guys. And thanks a lot. Please hit subscribe if you've watched this long. And have a good day.